A simple Thai salad for the summertime that's easy to prepare, that's delicious, that will fill you up, and very budget friendly. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to make it. We'll start off with the cilantro. Then the cabbage goes in there. Thin cuts on the cabbage. Mushrooms. Once again, you want them very thin. Green peppers. Everything should be sliced as thin as possible. Even some tofu. Tofu, this has been soaked in soy sauce. Tofu is a great flavor enhancer and a great protein builder. Next comes zucchini. Grate this down. Carrots. Carrots ready, going in. Next we have our green onions. You want to cut them on an angle and cut them very thin also. Throw in a little spinach. Once again, coarse cut spinach. Spinach will wilt down. All of our ingredients are in there. Vegetables, carrots, spinach. Next, we're going to make the dressing. Let's mix this up, let this sit, let this marinate for a second. Oh, looking good. And now we get ready for the dressing. All right, now for the final touches, we're going to do the dressing. We're going to start out with the 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Members mark, any kind of peanut butter works though. Just stick her in there. A little more, like peanut butter. All right, next we're going to have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Doesn't have to be exact on any of these measurements. Can be 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed oil. This is very good stuff. A little bit goes a long way. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. Then we have 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. You can use garlic cloves on this. I prefer not to because garlic cloves are still raw and have a bitter taste to it. So I use granulated garlic. Then you have a little bit of warm water to mix it up in here. Make sure it's pliable. Start mixing. Smells pretty good. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce and also using mushroom soy sauce. Then you want some lime. First we'll zest some lime in there for flavoring. Good smell, good flavor. You want about a teaspoon of this in there. Lime zest and the lime juice also. Lime juice coming up. Squeeze that in. Juicy lime, very good. Now you can substitute other ingredients in this. This is just my version. You want it to be consistency of dressing, still a little too thick here. So we're going to add a little more water. Make it a little more pliable, a little more spreadable and creamy. And once we add this, it's about done. We'll come back with some peanuts. Still a little too thick. That ought to do it. You want to go high with this. Nothing set in concrete. No ingredients set in concrete. A little more soy sauce. A little more stir. And then last but not least, take some peanuts and crush them up and put them in there. Still want this to be a little more consistency. A little more creamier. This ought to do it. We actually wound up ending about a cup of water in there. That's okay though. I want it to be good. Change this over and let's start adding the sauce. Almost done, need a final touch. I have not put the chicken in there yet. I don't know if I'm going to or not. I'm still making my mind up on the chicken part. All the sauce comes out, mixes up. This is a very good meal, very filling, and with the tofu and the peanut butter, gives you plenty of protein. That's it. We have one more touch. Okay, we have one final last touch. Honey roasted peanuts. Get the flat side of a meat mallet and pound these guys. You don't want to cut them up. You want the consistency of the crushed peanuts in there. You can make these as fine as you want to or as coarse. I want to leave them a little bit coarse so they have some texture in the salad. Peanuts chopped, peanuts go in. Mix these in. And there's your final Thai, lo mein, peanut butter, noodle salad. Summer's coming up. This would be very good on a hot day. And that's it. It's great to explore other cultures. Today we made a Thai salad with peanut butter, all kinds of vegetables, served cold. You've got to try this. This is great. I did add a little bit of chicken to the final plate here. Let's give this a try, see how it is. That works. That's really good. This thing comes together with all the flavors jump out, all the spices, the sweetness, the bitterness, the vegetables come through. Very good. I'll squeeze lime oil later, plus cilantro for garnish. You gotta try this. This is very easy, comes together very quick. And it's very inexpensive. If you want to keep learning ideals, see more ways to save money, to expand your horizons in different cultures, and to save money on a budget, like, subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see other cuisines, other cultures. We can do all kinds of things. And I'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.